In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom fields, opportunity fields, and objects in GoHighLevel. This tutorial will guide you step by step so you can seamlessly integrate these features into your workflow for optimal efficiency and customization. Whether you're a seasoned user of GoHighLevel or just getting started, this guide is designed to be both informative and easy to follow. Let's dive in and explore the first crucial step: adding the appointment booking conversation AI action. This action is a game changer for those who rely heavily on scheduling appointments. To start, navigate to the workflow where you want to add this feature. Once you're there, you're going to look for that plus icon that represents Add Action. Give that a click. Now you'll be faced with a menu of various actions you can integrate. Here you should select the option for Appointment Booking Conversation AI. What this action does is really quite powerful. It activates the AI scheduling assistant within your workflow. This assistant is proficient in handling the intricacies of appointment scheduling, easing the burden on both you and your clients. Moving on to the next step, after you've added the appointment booking conversation AI action, it's time to select the appropriate booking calendar. This step is crucial because the calendar you choose will dictate the available time slots for your clients and ensure appointments are booked without any hitches. In your workflow interface, look for the drop-down menu that appears after you've selected the AI scheduling assistant. It's in this drop-down that you will see a list of available calendars. If you haven't set up any calendars just yet, it's a good idea to do so beforehand. Choose the calendar that best fits your needs, whether it's a general appointment calendar or one specific to a particular department or individual. Now, a few tips to ensure everything runs smoothly. First, make sure that your calendar is up to date. You don't want clients booking appointments during unavailable times, as this can lead to confusion and missed opportunities. Sync your Google Calendar or any other calendar systems you're using to ensure that availability is accurate. Also, consider setting buffer times between appointments to prevent any back-to-back scheduling, which can be incredibly useful for meetings that may run over time unexpectedly. Additionally, allow for notification settings to alert you when a new appointment is booked. This pro tip can ensure you're always in the loop and can prepare accordingly for every engagement. By following these steps carefully, you'll enhance the booking experience for you and your clients, making the process smooth, efficient, and tailored to your unique business needs. It's these little adjustments and customizations that truly leverage the potential of GoHighLevel. I hope this walkthrough gives you the confidence to dive deep into the platform and make the most of its features. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more comprehensive guides and tips. Until next time, happy scheduling.